Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this super power turbo fan I have here. This one here, BAOHZ. I'll show you guys what it is here. Oh, it comes with a little velvety carrying case. Always nice to have. A little cleaning brush. Okay, and here is the device. This is it here. That's what it looks like. Comes with a charging cable that is USB to USB-C. I don't know why I'm doing that there when I have a table right in front of me. Okay, and I have various tips for it. Like this one here is just gonna blow like that. I guess I have to take this off and put this one on here. I can blow like through this one. You can see that. This one here's got a brush to it, so that's kind of cool. I could probably put that on the other side. Can I even? No. But I can use that for like cleaning out some things in the car, just blowing stuff out of the way. And a little tiny one here to really get into little tiny areas. That'll really come in handy for stuff in the car. Okay, and then we have here, it's a light. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna light up the area that you need. And then we have the fan right here, which we have off and on. So, oh, look at that. So there's the on, and it's blowing now, and I can push this to increase the 1, 2, 3 different powers. And I wanna show you guys this. Look at that, I could use it to dry my hair. It's got a lot of power. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me turn it off for right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll go show you. I'm gonna go blow some leaves or something and we'll go look at how this looks cleaning out my garage. Super cool. Okay, there's all sorts of goop over here. Let's see if we can get rid of it. Let's see, where do we do? Look at that. This is blowing everything out of the way. All these spider webs, all that stuff. I don't know if you can see, it's totally getting rid of stuff. Oh, there's some of that that's in there really good, but it blows it all away. Very cool. Nice little setup. Very cool.